Hinako with us, and she's going to talk about GIS as communication tool. It is using Re-Earth Visualizer. So let's welcome her and start with the talk.
So please wait. Can I start now? Okay. So good morning, everyone. So let me start my presentation. So my presentation title is GIS as a communication tool as using the Earth Visualizer in student workshop. Okay, so who we were. So we are from Eukarya, it's Japanese company, and we are providing data platform is called by Earth. And our mission is promote the organization and utilization of data, and yeah, we're providing the Earth. So today I will focus on visualizer and the visualizer use case for student workshop. So introducing to visualizer, so the Earth is our brand and the data platform, and basically we have three main products. First is visualizer, second is CMS and Flow. And also we are developing new map engine. It's called Navara. Yesterday we had a talk. Yes, so today we focus on visualizer. So the Earth Visualizer is a WebGIS tool, and it can upload their own GIS data and create GIS data, and also we can create map story and publish. It can publish and much more. Okay. So yeah, visualizer is this. This is a visualizer, so let me check. Okay, so this is visualizer, and now we are displaying in there and added data from OSM building like this, and I created a future of sizing spots, and yeah, if I click this feature, you can see the detailed information. I see their gate. We visited, and also we support 3D building and 3D terrain and so much. Okay, so back to the presentation. Okay, so system architecture. So we are using client server architecture, and in front end we are using Cesium JS is map library, and React and TypeScript. And in the back end we are using Golang, and to connect this we are using GraphQL, and the database is we use MongoDB. So we adapt modern technology, and it can have a high performance. So let me think. So GIS is complex and simple at the same time. So we are GIS developer, so we already know GIS knowledge, what is coordinate system, what is GIS format. But for citizens, they don't know. They don't know coordinate system. They don't know GeoJSON, 3D tiles, right? So people think GIS is easy. So people using Google Map and other map service is very easy to use. But sometimes GIS is, as you know, difficult. For example, put on 3D model on virtual 3D map is difficult to use, difficult for citizens. So in this case, we we have workshop for citizens, and sometimes we customize our products and to use our service very easily. Okay, so let me share our main three use case for citizen workshop. So first one is Kumagaya High School Urban Planning Workshop. So Kumagaya is a Japanese small city, and we have workshop for high school students, and they imagine the future city using 3D model. So they learn earlier and field work, walking around Kumagaya city, and after that they think about more good city and put on 3D model in 3D map. So in this workshop we used GIS visualizer and GIS visualizer plugin. Okay. And in this time we developed plugin for workshop, and it can load Kumagaya 3D building data. It's open data from Prato, Japanese government, and put on 3D model dataset to 3D map, and it can support moving, rotating, and scaling. And also we have storytelling function, and it can, and also we can add more another data from data catalog. Okay, so let me see this project. Yeah, this is Kumagaya project workshop, and the left panel is plugin. So click 3D model and put on 3D map. Okay, and click this, and we can change rotation and height and size. Oh, it's not working. Sorry, now it's working. So let me check. Okay, so now I put on some big Costco and click and copy. Yes, and it can move. Yes, like this. It looks like game. And also we can add data from data catalog. And we provide many type of data. For example, 3D building and bus route. Yes, many data we provide, and the user can add very easily. Loading time is much more time. And also we provide storytelling, and the user can add the story and tell the new city. Okay, so back to the presentation. So in this time, I introduce a plugin system. So GIS Visualizer adopts plugin system. So in plugin, it works as iframe, and in this iframe, we are using HTML, JavaScript, and plugin API. So visualizer is very powerful too, but if you want to adopt more functionality, we can develop by themselves. And talk about plugin, we have environments on the web. It's called Plugin Playground, and you can check sample code or plugin, and also we can debug and preview and do interactive testing. Okay. And also we support widget align system, so we can put on plugin like this. Okay, so next use case is Takanawa Gateway Area Storytelling Project. So Takanawa Gateway is recently we had new station, and the citizens think about what is good point of Takanawa Gateway area. So in this project, we citizens creates their story, which is telling their history, their schools, their good point of Takanawa City. Okay. So this is our final project. So let me see. We have three main final project. Is tell about history and pre and relaxation and architecture. So let me check. Yeah, it's also created by citizen. Sorry, it's written in Japanese. This is a history of Takanawa area. So it's scroll and move to map. Yeah, it's gateway of Takanawa in Edo period and telling the story of history. And put on some 3D model. Yes. So next. So next project is from students, and they tell us about school route. School route. Okay. So start from here. Their school route is a station. Station and go to some place and click here. It's park. Park and rest spot. Yes. We can see from now. And yeah, they share their favorite spot in this school route. Yes, so back to the next. It's the architect tour, like this. So, okay, so we have many projects, so back to our presentation. So in this time we was using a scrollable storytelling system. And we are using a page and block system. It's like a PowerPoint slides. So user can add their multiple pages, and in this page we can add some blocks, and for example, image block can add image, MD block can add markdown text, video also can add video, and each page can set each camera position and time scaling, and can select what they want to see. Okay, so this is a scroll telling project. It's created by citizen. Okay, so next use case is flood evacuation simulation workshop. So to prevent, in Japan there are many disasters, as you know, earthquake and floods. Yeah, many disasters. So some city has workshop to prevent flood evacuation. So, and participants is a local community, and yeah, they also don't know about GIS, but they use our product, GIS visualizer and plugin, and simulates flood and see the evacuation route. Okay, so let me check our project. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it's a flood evacuation route project. So in this map, we can add some data from data catalog. Okay. Yeah, it displays a shelter. And in this part, we can simulate floods and select start points, and select shelter points, and select river flood points, and such. So, let me see. And this is a simulation widget, and I place timeline. Yes. It can simulate river flows and yeah, time simulation, and sometimes change evacuation route. Okay, back to use case. Okay, so as you can see, GIS tool is very powerful for citizens, but citizens don't know how to use complicated GIS tool. So we are focused on provide more easy GIS tool to tell their story and their make their some project to prevent our disaster on some use case. Okay, so visualizer is a communication tool, I think. So and we share some use case of visualizer and for citizen workshop. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.
Yeah, so we are open for questions. Any questions? Yeah. I would request to speak slowly and clearly. She might have issues understanding.
You showed the 3D models, right? Can we take 3D models, our own 3D models, and plug it there? Can we upload our own 3D models?
We already uploaded 3D model data to plugin, so user don't need to upload some plug 3D.
If
Can we upload? Yes.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, any questions for Re-Earth?
Yeah, thank you for the presentation. So is this an open source tool, or do we have to, is it a proprietary? Do we have to pay for using the service?
This service?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for visualizer?
Visualizer is open source.
Open source?
Yes.
Okay, and the second one for flood simulation, for inundation. After running the simulation, can we extract that feature? The inundation feature, can we extract those?
So visualizer is only visualizing tool, so now we can export some data.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
But if we want, we will develop.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Very good presentation. This 3D visualizer, can you give pros and cons or comparison with reference to CCM? CCM, which is again a 3D visualizer software in open domain. As I have not seen this software in open domain, that's why I'm asking. Have you done any comparison that what are the merits and shortcomings with reference to any other open source software?
Now we are using only cesium.
Achha, you are using cesium only. So
Yes.
behind this, cesium is working? Behind this software, cesium is working or you have your own software?
Yes, cesium is working.
Okay.
But other products, CMS using maybe OP layers to display map and I forgot some products using map libre, but visualizer is using cesium only. Resume? Resume is open source and it's extended cesium GIS. Okay. So. Resume.
So Regime is also like developed as like that is open source things, and like our Regime is you can write code to Cesium by React. That is our Regime, and also so we are using Cesium and Regime as open source software in this tool.
So for flood purpose, which modeling tool you are using? Is this open source tool for flood prediction?
Modeling too?
Yeah, the prediction part. The simulation which you are doing for flood.
Sorry, which part?
Flood prediction, yeah. These results, inundation what you are getting.
This one?
Yeah, how you are getting this spread, which tool is used for that?
This flood data? No?
So like flood stimulation must be done using some modeling. There are some modeling for flooding. Which model did you use? That is what he is asking.
In this data is CZML format, and it have time simulation. So we only play timeline and see.
So actually, we made this data. This data is CZML, and like original data is like shapefile. So Japanese or local river government has like kind of like shape data with timelines. So we got that data and like convert to CZML, and then like we just start visualizing it. So that plugin you can see that has a timeline that is controlling a CZML file. Yeah.
Yeah. Any other questions? Okay. Shall we close this one? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Shukriya.
So again for the next presentation, just give me 2 minutes to set up and we'll start.